you, but when I was a kid, I put HP sauce on everything. I loved that stuff. So I made a homemade version of it, and it's awesome. So this is date paste. Have you ever heard of date paste? So it's just pitted dates steamed with some water and then pureed with the cooking liquid, and it's just date paste, and you can use it in everything like baking, like sauce, and it's a really good condiment to have on hand. So this is 3 tablespoons of date paste. This is 1 teaspoon, 5 mils of soup base blend. You can see that on another recipe. This is 1 tablespoon of my tamari curry sauce. You can also see that in another recipe, in another video. So we're going to blend all this together. And then we're going to add 5 mils, 1 teaspoon of molasses. So this is always kind of tricky because it's very sticky. That's awesome. So that's pretty much it. And then you wing it together, stir it together, and you can keep it in your fridge indefinitely. So the secret to awesome hamburgers is this sauce. You add a teaspoon or a tablespoon to ground beef, and it just makes the perfect, amazing, moist burgers and meatballs. And then you could have it as a condiment for your steak. There, simple as that. Yeah, just put it in a jar in your fridge, and there you have it. I hope that inspires you.